Yo guys, how's it going? I'm BMX here today. I'm bringing you guys my dream setup for my BMX. Okay, so my last video I said if you guys could get that video to 15 likes, I'll bring you guys my dream setup, and that's what I'm gonna be doing right here. So what I'm gonna be doing is just going on a dance comp and searching for my parts that I want, and I'll talk about it. Maybe I'll say why if like I have a specific reason, and then I'll go on to the next part and I'll take a screenshot of the part and project it on the screen so you guys could see it over while I'm talking. Yeah, just thought I'd say that. Okay, so first part is the frame. The frame that I want is the Fit Wi-Fi V2 frame in the color blue, 21 inch. The funny thing, this part isn't on Dance Comp like in the color I want, so I want that one. Fitbikeco.com is the official Fit website, and I don't know, I don't really have like specific reason, but it's just Fit. If you guys don't notice, Fit and Colt are my two favorite BMX companies. I don't know why, it's just, and Odyssey. Them two are just my two favorite. And saying that, those are like pretty much the only parts that are going to be on my bike besides like the sprocket. Cause yeah, so we're going to get the bars. Okay, so the bars that I want are Fit Benny bars, 4-piece, and in the color chrome. Also, not really a specific reason, just because it's a Fit brand, and in the 4-piece bars, cause I've always wanted 4-piece bars, I felt like, you know, they might be a little better, like feel better, so I want to really try those out. So that's the reason I picked the 4-piece bars instead of 2-piece bars. Now we're gonna do the grips. The grips, I actually do have a specific reason. Well, I don't know if you'd call it a specific reason, but I guess. Okay. The grips that I'd get are the Colt Vans in black. Like, these grips, I really like them. They're really comfortable, at least in my opinion. They're really comfortable, at least in my opinion. And I don't know, they look pretty cool too, I guess, with like the diamond shapes or square shaped, whatever you want to say. I don't know. They look nice, and then they feel really good, in my opinion. So, and I'm gonna go to forks now. Shoot, I don't know the specific ones, but if you guys disagree with any of these parts and you pick a different part, let me know down in the comments below and tell me why. I'd like to know that. The first that I want are Odyssey R series forks with 32mm offset, and as you can see now they are in black, but I prefer them in chrome, and not for any reason or anything, but just cause chrome bikes, in my opinion, look really nice. Like, not like all full chrome, but like, you know, black and chrome. But in this case I'm going black, chrome, and blue. But only the frame is really blue, so that's why. But if they only sold these in black, also take, if only they sold in black only, then I'd also take them, but I'd prefer them in chrome, just for this setup. Now we're gonna do the headset, yes. headset is a colony integrated headset in the color black. Literally, as you guys just heard me saying, I was just picking out this headset, so I don't really have a specific reason or anything, and I just basically picked a random one, so there's not really any reason why, but now the stem, what I want is I don't know if it's on Danscom, but I have it on my bike, so if not, I'll just show you guys a picture, or just take a picture of it, yeah, maybe, or show you guys later on in the video when I do my bike check. Yeah, brand, I see. Yeah, so I don't have any, they don't have it, so I'll just show you guys a picture like right now, and then I'll just tell you guys later on in the video, put it out. Okay, so that's the front of the bike, besides the wheel, which I'm gonna do right now. Stock wheel. Now I'm gonna pick up the back one first. The back one is a free coaster. I've always wanted a free coaster, so what better time to get it than for your dream setup. The free coaster I want, it's a very, very expensive one, but for your dream setup, why not, you know? Okay, so the free coaster I want is the RC Crutch free coaster wheel. It's a 9-tooth left-hand drive, 14mm. I don't know, no really specific reason besides that, you know, it's a free coaster, and then I wanted a free coaster, and it's an Odyssey one. Plus, I heard like a lot of good stuff about it, so from friends and online. So yeah, that's a good sign. Oh, my socket just broke on me first week. On the bright side, I've never broken a wheel, so yeah. Besides, I spoke. I'm talking too much about just wheels, so just stop. No really specific reason, but Chinma C38 VX2 front wheel in black. No specific reason besides just heard lots of good stuff about Chinma wheels. I have Chinma wheels, very good. Yeah, like I said.
Back to the setup. Since we're wearing wheels, might as well just get the tires. Tires, right there. That was weird. But it was the right way.
Tires. I see tires. I don't know if they have these, but this exact ones that nah, who cares? These are nice too. I don't know. I think maybe the what? So the ones I picked out are Pursuit. Odyssey Pursuit tire. I don't know if this is what I have. I have it on my bike, so you guys will see that later. But screenshots. Yeah. Odyssey tire is really good, really thick. The one that I have right now, really good. I have 3 of them right now. No, like 3 and not 4, just 2. But no, odd number, yeah. It's all good though. Okay. So much energy. What, 18 minutes ago? Oh shit. Okay, I have to do the bike check a separate video. Okay. Yeah, no reason to just really thick, and I really like it. Okay. Parts. Sprocket. So they have an Odyssey sprocket. I'm gonna take that one just cause, you know, Odyssey MDS2LA guard sprocket. No reason, just Odyssey and sprocket with the guard around it. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm building that. There, you're in the video. Now she's gonna like comment some shit like that attitude. Call me. Okay. Okay. Cranks. Thunderbolts. Honestly, Thunderbolt cranks. Amazing cranks. I love them. Never had a problem with them. They're the best cranks I've ever used. They're just full on amazing. I'm gonna try that again. The cranks that I want are Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks in black, 170 millimeter left-hand drive. Left-hand drive because I grind on the right side, so when I have like less chances of hitting my sprocket if it's on the left side when I grind. Yeah, and I've only thought about this because I once broke my friend's sprocket by trying to grind. We fixed it back. When I say we, I meant him, and I was just standing there. He bent it back with like some fucking pliers or some shit. Yeah, sorry, Matt. But yeah, so I don't want that really happening. But I feel like that won't really happen if I have a sprocket guard. But you never know. Just because. Okay. Now let's go to packs. Okay. The ones are. Can't click it. Hold on. Okay. Black and blue tie dye. Odyssey tie dye twisted PC pedals. The blue and black version. I wanted these like a while back, and yeah, put them on here. Didn't really want like all blue ones, so it's good. These are like a dark blue with the shade and has black with it. Would just look better with if the sprocket and cranks are black. So yeah. If only I wanted Odyssey chain. The chain I want is a KMC 410H chain. I have it on my bike right now. No problems with it. It's very good. Recommend it. Okay. What else am I missing? Check my screenshot. Okay. So we got a frame. We got the whole. I got my seat and seat post. But I'm gonna only do the seat because seat post doesn't really matter. By Demolition, I think it is. No. Okay. The seat I have right now looks very comfortable. But I'm actually take a look at some change. Some seats. So I'll be right back. Yo! I know you guys can't see my head, but like, I'm trying to get on my bike, but that's fine. A lot of kids might see my face. So, right here is my current setup. So, what I got is a Flyer Panta V4 21-inch frame in black. Got a couple stickers on there, but that's okay. Premium whiskey bars. It's a 8.125 rise by 28. And stem. It's an IRC free stem in black. Love this frame. Amazing. Front load. A fit. A headset. I don't know what kind. Kind for my friend. These are Birdie forks, if I'm correct. Yeah, I'm like 99% sure they're correct. That the Birdie forks. Odyssey tires. These are the ones I want. I really like them. I have a different one in the back. I don't know why. Odyssey and Ross one. I don't know exactly, but they're both Odyssey tires. These are the ones I want for my setup that you guys just watched. This is an Odyssey Club. Odyssey Quarter, like stock wheel. In the back, I have a Cinema thing, some kind of Cinema here. I don't know exactly, but it's a Cinema wheel in the back. This is a demolition seat. I really love this seat. I really wanted it in my setup. The cold one's really nice too. Very comfortable. With the my seat post broken, you know. But I'm pretty sure it's a kink. Just it's really long. Like right now, it's like all the way low because my seat clamp is broken. But that's alright. I don't really use it as much anymore. I have Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks with Odyssey Twisted PC all blue pedals. I really like them. BSD. It's a blue BSD 25-2. Okay. I really like this one. I only wrote like one other one, but this one's like really thick and it's really good. I like it. I have a chrome KMC chain. Well, this bike review was so bad, but it's okay. Better than the last one. If you guys ever seen that one, let me know in the comments below and tell me how bad it was. My grips are Colt bands in blue.
What's up, guys?
Okay, so as I was saying, that's the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Like I said, let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. It's snowing, so I can't really do much, but I am planning to go to an indoor skate park soon. So, and I'm gonna have a GoPro borrowed from my friend. So I'll bring you guys like sort of like a daily cruise. I'll try it once the weather's better. I'll do daily cruises like Billy Perry. You should tell me this. YouTube Billy Perry. I don't know. Oh, I'm pretty sure. he's the one that basically started, like, that I think of, that started, like, you know, daily cruises. That's pretty much what got him big on YouTube. Not trying to be big on him. He got big because of that, and now he does vlog. I really like him, so I still watch him just do it. But, yeah, I'll try to bring you guys daily cruise.